Okay, so now that we've got our carrot, we're gonna spend a little bit of time prepping the mug via slipping and scoring. So you wanna get some nice pasty slip, right? You see this is nice and you can brush your teeth with it. Some nice paste right there, right? Okay, don't brush your teeth with it. It might help clean them. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. Don't do it. Okay, so we've got a little bit of slip. And because I know the shape of the base of this handle, right? Maybe we can throw some on there right now while we're at it. So because I know what this shape is, I can just kind of score it onto the mug right now. The other thing you can do is you can put a little too much slip on here. And then, let's see, where do I want to attach this? We'll just put it right there. So what I can do is I can just kind of set this on here. And because I've got extra slip, it kind of leaves a little bit of an impression with some excess slip where that is. So now I know exactly where I've got a slip and score. So I'm gonna go ahead and spend some time kind of working in that slip. Get a little bit more. The whole idea with slipping and scoring is we want to soften this clay just a little bit to make it so that it's a little bit easier for this really soft clay that we're about to slap on here. We want to make it so that that soft clay has a little bit easier time adhering to the cup. Clay, wet clay likes to stick to wet clay. So we need something to stick. Let's get this clay a little bit wet. So I'm gonna slip and score that really well. And then I'm gonna come down here actually, because I know that's where I'm gonna attach the bottom portion. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get some slip on there, slip and score that as well. Kind of work that into the wall here. You notice I'm kind of like cutting into the surface with this serrated rib. You can also do this with your needle tool. It's like having one tooth instead of 1,000 teeth like that rib has. A little extra down there I don't want. So now I've got these slipped and scored. I'm gonna double check and make sure I think that's the right size. So that is prepping your mug. Sometimes I'll even do this first before I make the carrot, and I'll put a little extra slip on here. Like this is too much slip. But while I'm making my carrot, I can leave that extra slip on there to kind of help soften the clay on the mug, on the cup a little bit. But I do have my carrot already, so I'm gonna take this excess slip off and we'll go ahead and get it attached.